Hi, I'm Bob Ansh, a senior editor with CE Pro Magazine, and I would like to discuss this new connectivity company, AV Access. AV Access is a global provider of connectivity products that range from KVM to cabling. The product from them that I would like to look at in particular is the company's new HDMI 2.0 extender set. This new product set supports eARC, it supports 4K, it supports all of the popular surround sound modes, including Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, and it can be used to transmit AV signals over long distances. I set it up in my house in two systems. The first system I set it up with, I used a Roku stick, and I connected it to my home theater system, which includes an audio receiver and Epson 6050 projector. Later, I moved it upstairs into a secondary system that includes a Sony 50-inch TV. And in both cases, it was a turnkey solution to deliver Roku signals. I used an Ethernet cable that was 50 feet long. That was the longest cable that I had. And it synced up with no latency. I didn't detect any lip sync issues. I didn't detect any compression within the video signal. I didn't detect any latency. What I did see was pristine images and quality audio in both systems. The nice thing about the system is, like in my case, for an example, it was more convenient for me to set up the power on the transmitter end. So that allowed me some setup flexibility. The system only requires power at one end. And it took a few minutes to set up. Once it is set up and plugged in, it instantaneously recognizes what you're trying to do in transmitting signals. And that was pretty much it. It's basically a turnkey signal extender for AV. It's well built. It's easy to install. It was reliable in the two systems that I tried it in. And there's really nothing more than I can say other than to learn more about the AV Access product line, please visit cepro.com. If you would like your own CE Pro video, please contact Ray Lyons, Sean Tobin, or Chelsea Cafaro, or go to cepro.com.